Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to find the product of two numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let these two be the numbers. To find a product in this cell, first click this cell and go to formula, type in equal product, open brackets, then press Ctrl and drag these two close the bracket, press enter. That's the answer. If you don't think that's the correct answer, I will show you with two simple numbers. Example 2 and 3. Type in equal product, open brackets, drag this to number, bracket close, enter. See, the answer is 6. That's how you put the formula in Microsoft Excel. That's a formula how to multiply two numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video. If you learned something new, do hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.